Welcome back to Blender Tutorial Series Part 2. We'll use loop cuts to turn a cube into a simple shape. Let's dive in. Open Blender and grab the default cube in the 3D view. In this part, we will learn how to put loop cuts in Blender. Loop cuts add detail by slicing your model. Left-click the cube, hit Tab for Edit Mode, then press Ctrl+R. A yellow line appears. Hover over the cube's middle, left-click to set it, drag to position, and left-click for submitting it. Need more cuts? Ctrl+R and scroll up with your mouse before clicking. Scrolling up makes more loops. Move mouse to the part you want to make the loops and left-click for submitting it. Let's shape stairs with the section created by loop cuts. Tweak another loop's position. And mix them with extrusions. Now I'm randomly testing what we have learned so far on loop cut surfaces. You can try scaling as well. Or G to shift it, and you can try it in different XYZ directions. In Part 3, we'll keep building modeling skills. If this sparked joy, smash that like button, subscribe, and join us for more Blender action. Catch you next time.